They say hard work is the key to success. But if that were true, every construction worker, every night shift employee, and every overworked office worker would be millionaires. Hard work alone won't make you rich. The truth? It's not just about effort. It's about leverage. Anyone can grind, but winners move differently. They don't just work harder. They work smarter. They study the game. They adapt. They know when to push and when to pivot. Think about it. Two people can put in the same hours, but one ends up wealthy and the other stays stuck. Why? Because one understands strategy and the other just runs in circles. Smart people don't chase money. They position themselves so money chases them. They master skills that pay. They build networks, not just resumes. They don't just take risks, they take calculated risks. Because success isn't about how much you sweat. It's about how well you move. So don't just grind, execute. Don't just dream, strategize. Don't just work hard, work smart. Because true wealth isn't just money, it's freedom, control over your time, power over your own life. And that's a game only the sharpest minds win. Start now.